Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm excited once again to be doing a color collaboration with my friend Julie E. We chose for the month of March the color of gold. It's a very rich color and it's very versatile. It goes with just about everything. I love the bling, and it's easy to build a color palette off of this because, again, it goes with just about everything. And I discovered what I think is kind of a magical color combination doing a tree swipe recently. Copper, gold, and pearl white make the most beautiful kind of moonlight shadow with some gorgeous cells in it when I was swiping with my regular paint. So I thought I would try this also with bloom paints. So I have DecoArt copper and gold and an Amsterdam pearl white. Then I have Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue, and I have Amsterdam Prussian blue phthalo. And I'm also using the Prussian blue phthalo as my cell activator. These are all mixed with deep, ultra deep base and Jo Sonja gloss varnish. And this is mixed with, the paint is mixed with Australian Floetrol 2-to-1. And then I have some house paint in eggshell. So the eggshell, these are glossy. This is matte, so that should be the right combination, I believe. If I'm wrong, you let me know in the comments below. I'm not much of a bloomer. I've only done this a couple of times. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to put down my pillow paint and we will get started.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. Well, my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. falling tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound. This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice. Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start. Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, justice is my middle name. I'm Alice. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. And the horizon silver line.
All right, so here are the wet results. I'm kind of proud of myself. I think I might be getting better at this. Still lots of room for improvement, but you know, you take those little signs of improvement where you can get them. I did it's obviously inspired by a couple of things by Jessica with Winterstrom Art. I'm assisting her at the Fluid Art Boutique in Seattle, Washington at the end of April, and I wanted to kind of brush up on some of my skills here. She's the expert and I can't wait to learn more from her, but I will be assisting her in the class too. So yeah, good to brush up on those skills before I go. I don't think I should have tilted. I think I should have kept on spinning because it warped some of my lines a little bit, but that's okay. I still think this is a magical color combo. I love the earthiness of the copper and the gold and the pearl white with the dark blues. So let me take you in for some close-ups. I'm really happy with that particular scoop and drag. I think if I do this again, I'm going to try, instead of going from the center out, I'm going to try going from one side all the way to the other end and then see if I can really play with some scoop and drags. But I use my skewer to make some lines just to add some additional motion, some more scoop and drags, just practicing the technique. I love these cells in here right there. I think maybe, someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I think maybe my cell activator was still a little too thick. But you know what? I'm super happy with this. Look at that gold sparkling all the way through there. This area up here is gorgeous. Almost looks like fish scales. I'm super happy with that. And these look like dragon scales. Oh wow, look at the copper all in there. Oh, that came out really cool. Okay. I'm going to play around with this some more. By the time the end of April gets here, I hope to be much better, but I'm calling this a win. I think that's pretty cool. I hope you like it too. Stay tuned for the dry result. So here are the dry results of my bloom swipe. I'm really happy with this. I love the blue, I love the colors. I got some great motion with my scoop and drags. I think the cells held their shape really well. And there's some really good bling from the copper and the gold and that metallic blue also in there. Yeah, I think the structure of it's really good. I like the composition. I'm going to do a few more of these, I think, get some more practice in. So I will link Jessica Winterstrom's channel in the video description below so you can check her out. She's definitely the master at all of these kinds of things, and as well as the link to the Fluid Art Experience so that you can come paint with Jessica and I in Seattle. I hope you come and see us. And don't forget to like this video, give me the thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.